everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can enable or how we can activate the developer mode in our Windows 11 devices, whether it's a laptop or a PC. Okay, so let's get into it. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to our settings option, and we can do that by simply making a right click in the Windows icon and then go to settings options. Now, once we're done or once we're in here in the settings option, all we need to do is to go to the system options, which you can find in the left pane. And in here, we will find display, sound, notifications. So we will look for developers options. So display, sound notifications, so focus, power and battery, storage, nearby sharing, multitasking, and this one. So once found, for developers, these settings are intended for development use only. Now, please do click on that, and you will see here these settings are intended for development use only. And if you want to enable it, all you need to do is just click on this button here. So once this is off, just turn this on and you will be enabling the developer mode. So use developer features. Turning on developer mode, including installing and running apps from outside the Microsoft Store, could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. Turn on developer mode. Okay, so just click on yes. And you can also turn this off or disable it by clicking this button here and then turn off. So in the developer mode, you can install apps from any source, including loose files. Okay, so we also have many options under this for developers option. We have device portal, device discovery, and task, file explorer, and many other options. And you can change or you can make changes with the options or the settings in here just by clicking on these buttons. Okay, so that's how you do it, and that's how you enable the developer mode in your Windows 11 devices. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.